Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your iPhone camera with Apple Diagnostics, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your iPhone camera using Apple Diagnostics, first, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Next, connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Select Camera from the list of options. Check if any apps have permissions to access your camera. If there are any issues, try adjusting the permissions. Now, exit Settings and open the Camera app. Test each camera function by switching between the front and rear cameras. Capture a few photos and check for quality and clarity. If everything appears fine, your camera is functioning properly. If you notice issues like blurriness or malfunctioning features, you will need to run Apple Diagnostics. To do this, visit the Apple support website. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Select your iPhone from the list of devices. Look for the option to run a diagnostics test and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the test is complete, review the results carefully. If any issues are detected, take note of the error codes provided. You can use these codes when reaching out to Apple support. If no issues are found, your camera is working as intended. Consider visiting an Apple store or authorized service provider if problems persist. They can provide a more in-depth assessment and assistance. Always ensure to back up your iPhone before taking it for service. This way, your data remains safe during any repairs. After following these steps, you should have a clearer understanding of your iPhone camera's condition. Feel free to reach out to Apple support for further help if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.